Are you in the network marketing profession? Somehow you've run out of people to talk to about your opportunity and now you're stuck. Sound familiar? Hi, I'm Dylan. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate thousands of leads for your network marketing business, all online. Feel free to subscribe to this channel if you're looking to generate leads and grow your business online. Let's get started. It goes without saying that in order to generate thousands of leads online, you need a system in place. Gone are the days where your upline would tell you to make a list of your closest friends and family to show your presentation to. Most reps don't even like doing that, so it's not duplicatable. Many reps try this strategy out when they get started because that is what they're told to do. Eventually, they run out of people to talk to. Today, you'll get access to the very same system the top network marketers are using to earn 6, 7, and 8 figures in their businesses. With this system, you don't have to be salesy, you don't have to spam your links all over social media, and you definitely don't have to bother your friends and family to join your opportunity. This is an attraction marketing system. Here you'll discover how to generate thousands of leads for your business opportunity, leveraging the power of social media. You'll see how to use the in-house lead generation campaigns to attract leads instantly. You'll see how to use social media challenges to grow your biz op, and you'll get a daily method of operation to keep you on point. All the tools and resources you need on one platform. You'll have access to free training that you can give away to your team, or to potential leads, making you a person of value. All the training is top drawer, and sits behind professionally designed capture pages, allowing you to generate and track all your leads. This is a good way to build that all-important know, like, and trust factor. Once you've generated your leads, you'll also have a place to store their information and keep track of them. This is known as the CRM, or Customer Relationship Manager. The CRM is ideal for following up with your leads. This essential tool is the difference between a broke business owner and a six-figure pro. To access this powerful lead generation training and resources, click the link below this video. Check it out risk-free. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what challenges you're facing when growing your business. See you on the inside.